Many ships' manufacturing plants are located on the bank of the river. There is plenty of rain and more water vapor in the air. The high temperature and humid production environment will bring discomfort to employees. On the other hand, there are a large number of metal products in ships' manufacturing plant. The products stored in the factory are easy to be corroded and rusted, and the product cost is high, resulting in economic losses. Vanse big ceiling fans, by driving 5 huge blades to rotate slowly, will promote the air circulation, reduces the effective temperature, dredges pores and heat, and can make employees feel the cooling effect of 37.4 to 50 Fahrenheit in summer. And the huge fan blades effectively drive away the moisture in the air and keep the environment dry, so the equipment and products will not be damaged.